All right, welcome back to the channel. I'm excited about this video because a product was released yesterday. I'm going to be showing you that in just a second, but I wanted to show you some of the thumbnails that I've been able to create just by tapping into this product and trying it out for the last 30 minutes. Now, this is pretty cool because I'm running multiple YouTube channels. I have faceless YouTube channels that I create. I have VAs that are creating videos for them, and then we also need thumbnails. Thumbnails are a big deal, right? Because they account for, it's just going to get the click, right? You're not going to be able to get watch time or views unless you actually have a good thumbnail and a good title. Now, title is another subject where we can use AI and ChatGPT to create titles for us, or we can do keyword research and so forth. That's part of it. But the other part of it is a thumbnail. Now, it's quite known that Mr. Beast spends about $10,000 per video on each thumbnail, right? So just for the thumbnail creation, he spends $10,000. Now, I'm going to start going through some of these right here and give you a look at these were all created with AI, right? So the topic of the video was faceless YouTube, $15,000 monthly earnings revealed. Now just pay attention to these, right? They're all different. Some of them you'll see on the screen, like right over here. This would need fixed. Now there's definitely ways to fix this. You can either regenerate it using the AI, or you can bring this in. You can actually bring this into Canva and use their grab tool, and it will actually grab all the text, and then you can actually fix it yourself. There's a lot of different things you can do. Or you can actually even create the image and everything using the AI without the text, and then you can add the text on top of this. There's a lot of different ways. Sometimes the AI is going to mess up, and that's just the way it is. But let me just explain to you that I've looked at using Midjourney and Leonardo and different AIs and prompts in Claude, prompts in ChatGPT. And I've tried to go the AI route. Look at this thumbnail right here. None of the spellings are wrong or anything. It's just a really good, with some really good vibrant colors. It captures the intrigue of the faceless person right there, large text and everything on the black background, right? So then it stands out, and then you have the vibrant colors in the back, and then you get some dollar signs over there. It's really cool because, so I've tried to do this on my own, and I've just never been able to get like the results that I wanted. But the product today and the training today actually even gives you, I'm going to show you how you can get your hands on a custom GPT prompt in ChatGPT that's going to allow you to create these very in-depth custom prompts. Like, you're not going to create them, the GPT does. All you have to do is just put the title of your YouTube video in the thumbnail or in the GPT, and then it's going to go out there. Look at this one right here. This one's really cool. Now, as far as the crispness, I mean, we're up here, we're on a full screen mode right here. I'm using a free image AI creator as well, and that's revealed in the product. I'm not going to show that in this video, but you can get even higher like quality graphics. This might even be a JPEG product right here, or a JPEG image. Now, in order to get high quality PNGs, you can subscribe to one of the softwares that's recommended for $7 a month. So that's all included in the training. I'll go over that and show you what the inside of the training looks like and so forth, but just wanted to show you what is possible with these AI thumbnails. Now, mind you, the text came with using the, like right over here, monthly. We would have to fix this right over here, but there's ways to fix this just to show you. Most of the time it gets it right. Sometimes it gets it wrong, but it included the text. I've tried to include text on AI thumbnails, and I haven't had any luck with it. But look right over here, no misspellings on this one. Really cool. Now you have to pay graphic designers to go out there and create these kind of graphics right over here, and the AI is doing everything for you because of these advanced prompts. I definitely wanted to get this out and share this with you guys. It's literally a $7 product right now. The link will be below. Go pick it up. $7 to get this information that can go out there and help you with your YouTube channel, especially since the fact that YouTube just released to most channels, I'd say they're probably 90% of the channels out there, that you can now test and compare. You can A, B, and C split test your YouTube thumbnails. We've been waiting for years for this, and now you can go out there and test YouTube thumbnails, and this would be a great way to go out there and just get some prompts out there and pick 3 prompts that you really look at. This thumbnail right here. This is insane, but this would allow you to go out there and test 3 thumbnails on your YouTube channels every single time you create a video, and then let the audience and let the viewers decide which thumbnail they liked best, right? Just decide which one that gets the most clicks. Look at this thumbnail right here, faceless YouTube $15,000 a month, monthly earnings revealed. And look at how the character right here is overlaid on top of the text. These are some decently advanced things that you have to go and hire people to do, right? So this will allow you to go out there, create these really great thumbnails that are just mind-blowing, in my opinion. For midway through 2024, this is definitely the future of thumbnail creation. But this will allow you to go out and just create these high-quality YouTube thumbnails and put them in the test and compare feature in YouTube, and then the crowd, the viewership, the people that are watching your videos the stats will tell you which one performed the best, right? And so that's what we're always trying to do, is get the highest click-through rate, because YouTube's going to show a certain amount of impressions to your audience, and then depending on your thumbnail, that is going to drive the clicks. The more clicks you get, the higher click-through rate on your thumbnails that you can get, then that means that's the more views you're going to get, and that's the more watch time and the more money essentially that you're going to make. So this one is really good. You would just need to make one simple edit right over here, month. And I could make a video. You guys can leave a comment below if you want me to make a video on how to edit the text right over here and how to do that in Canva and so forth. Then I'll be glad to do that for you guys in the future. But look at this one. Other than the little mess up right over here, this is really good. You can see the textured background back here, the light shining right over here, and then you have the faceless person right over here holding a briefcase with cash in it. It doesn't get any better than this. Now you could go and use the grab tool in Canva and just get rid of this and then redo it and make the text pop even more. But even just the image creation alone and just the ideation of the thumbnail is pretty insane, in my opinion. Then you have these split screen ones right over here, faceless YouTube with different colors, and then 15K. And then once you find one that really works for your channel, then you could go ahead and use just that prompt. And so stay tuned. I'm going to go show you a little bit about what the product looks like. And then this one right over here, this one's super cool too. You've got the city on the left, and you got the office space on the right, you got cash behind them, and then you got the really nice bold text and the overlay right there. And then you've got this one right over here, all in gold. We would need to do a little bit of fixing right over here, but this is super cool because I got faceless right. Everything is right about this thumbnail in particular, other than the text down there. That's super easy to fix. And then this one would be really good right here as well. Now remember, this GPT, I did get there's 4 products that you can get. There's 3 OTOs basically, and I just got the first entry-level product is $7. The first upgrade is $12, and I got that one. That one unlocks the GPT. And then there's 2 other OTOs. I didn't pick those ones up. So for literally $19, you can be all in on this and have AI create the thumbnails for you. Look at this one. This one's good too. And then we have this one. I really liked this one as well. The colors and everything, these just pop, right? Certainly better than what I could create just in Canva. I mean, it would take me a lot of time. I would have to find this background right over here, and I'd have to find this unique character. Then we'd put the text over it. But it takes time, right? And to add all these elements, the little dollar sign in the back and the different colors and so forth. You guys know that it takes time to put these kind of things. These ones are really hard to create. They usually do well on YouTube. And I don't do these kind of thumbnails because they take so long to do. Here's another one that's really good. I'm almost done, and then I'm going to show you guys the product. This one is super cool. Look at this one right here, faceless YouTube. And then this one right over here. Then we have this one holding up a coin with the title. That is really good. And what you would do is you just create a bunch of these, and you would pick the 3 that you really stand out, that you like the most, and then you would just publish those in the test and compare, and then your audience will come back and they'll decide what they think is the best. Look at these thumbnails, are just insane right over here. All right, so I'm almost done. Faceless YouTube. Okay, so we're done right there. So let me go show you a little bit of the product. So we'll come right over here. So it is by Mark Hess. He has been an online marketer for years, and he is one of the good marketers on Warrior Plus, or I wouldn't be sharing his product with you guys. It's been a long time since I've shared a Warrior Plus or JVZoo product. I stopped doing that. This one in particular is a complete golden nugget. And it's something that I'm going to be using in my business and some of my other YouTube channels, and I wanted to share it with you guys. Okay, I'm not putting together bonuses or anything. If I've brought value to you in this video and you would like to know how to use AI to create thumbnails, YouTube thumbnails very quickly, this high of quality, I'm blown away by the quality of the thumbnails that we're able to produce. It is 100% free. Once you buy the training, the software that you're using and the GPT and everything is 100% free. You won't spend any more money. You don't need a subscription to the software that creates the images for you. It's not ChatGPT and it's not Midjourney. Midjourney. I'll just tell you that right now. And I'm actually impressed. I think it does even better than Midjourney. And I didn't know about this before I bought this product. And that's one of the beauties about buying a product like this, is that I just learned something new today, right? I learned about a software that's out there that I didn't know about. And Mark Hess has created WordPress plugins. He's an SEO guy. He's an affiliate marketer. He does all kinds of stuff. And then this one right here, this is the best AI thumbnail training that I have ever seen in the last 3 years. So super cool stuff. Now you can come through here, you can read about it. You're going to get different prompts right over here, right here. And we're blocking out the very exclusive part of what you're going to get when you buy the product. And then look at all these thumbnails that are created right over here. And you can just see. And quite frankly, these ones are very impressive. If you're going to do like a Joe Biden versus Donald Trump, the AI created this entire thing right here. Very realistic images right over here. These are the kind of thumbnails that stand out and get millions of views. And you can just keep going right over here. Just super cool. I love this thumbnail right over here and so forth. And you can see all these other ones right over here. I really like the ones that I was able to create as well. So right now, at the time of recording this, it is on a time sale or something like that. It does increase every like 10 sales or something. The price goes up just a little bit. But right now, it's still in that $7 range. It's $7.52 at the time of recording this. Now, once you purchase, you have the option to unlock the AI video thumbnail prompt engine. And basically, it's going to save you time from copying and pasting all the prompts and so forth. And I like to save time, so it didn't bother me to pay $12 to open up a custom GPT. We already knew about this, right? When GPTs came out, custom GPTs, we already knew. Marketers and myself, I think I even made a video on this channel about it, that people were going to be able to sell custom GPTs. It was amazing when ChatGPT came out with the ability to have custom GPTs built. And then the fact that you can make it a private means that you can go out there and sell your custom GPT. And that's what Mark Hess is doing right here. You can upgrade for $12. You get this custom GPT. And I'm not opposed to buying a custom GPT if it's going to save me money. And he went out there and did all the research and hard work on the prompt engineering, and the thumbnails speak for themselves. So this is brilliant. This one right over here, it's like $12. We'll scroll down. You can see some more of the thumbnails, like this one over here, very vibrant colors right there, and then growth mindset. So these are all being created. I did not know it was possible that you could create thumbnails this advanced with text because I've tried before and it doesn't work. Midjourney didn't work. Some other softwares didn't work. And so then I still manually make all of my thumbnails. Well, in this case, it's finally arrived, being able to create thumbnail with text using AI. And then this one right here is $12.37. You're going to get the ChatGPT 4.0, the absolute best prompts right there. Zero hassle. You don't need to copy and paste. Automatically create video thumbnail prompts in 30 seconds. Okay. So this is the one that I got. So $12, literally getting a calculator out to show you. The first product was $7.52 plus, if you buy this relatively close to the time that this comes out, plus $12.37. So it's going to be $19.89, less than $20. You're going to be able to get a custom GPT, and you're going to be able to get all the instructions and so forth. There are two other OTOs. I know you guys ask about these. There's a Persona AI where you can create characters right over here. Very unique AI, realistic characters. Look at this. You can literally go and do this. So this is really cool. If this is something that you are going to be, I don't even know if you're going to create videos with this or just images or what. But if this is anything like the other two products, then it's going to be top notch. It's going to be really good. And it's under $10. So Mark Hess is also not coming out here charging you hundreds of dollars for this stuff. The pricing is extremely low, the entire funnel. And then you have this one over here, game changing, turn free AI into human grade authority content. You guys might be interested in this one if you like to write content, blog posts, SEO, all that kind of good stuff. And he has some unique ways. You can watch the video as well on how to create human written content. You're going to be able to check this out as well. I didn't check on the pricing. I'm going to go check right now. How much is this one? This one is only $9, right? And then that's it. This takes you over to your product pages. You can get his entire funnel is like $50 or less. This doesn't usually happen on Wire Plus. You guys know that as well. Mark Hess is not going out there trying to become a millionaire overnight with just this one product. He put together, quite frankly, a better product than most of the Wire Plus products that we see, right? That's why I don't promote them anymore. But this one is truly top notch. And he also, the pricing, everything is under $15. Really awesome job. I give this a 5-star for sure because of the value that you're getting, the high quality products that Mark Hess is actually releasing to you, and then him keeping it at an extremely low barrier to entry, under $15. He could be charging $39 for this, $49, $67, things like that. He's not doing that. So I definitely recommend getting product number 1 right over here and product number 2, the first OTO, to get you the GPT. And for less than $20, you're all in right here. Now, here's what the GPT looks like: AI, video, thumbnail, prompt engineer. Now, if you go and type this in, you're not going to be able to get access to it because it's private, right? You got to buy the product. And what's going to save you, the reason why I recommend getting this one is that you're going to be able to just put your YouTube channel, your YouTube topic or video title right over here, whatever you want the text to say. Even if you have a title, but you only want it to say 3 or 4 words, you're going to decide what those words are right here. And then you're going to push enter, and it's going to go, and you can see I'm going to go right over here, and I'll show you just the first couple right over here. So look at this. It's going to give you all this text right over here. It's going to give you all this text right over here. And that is, you're going to be able to take these right over there, and you're going to be able to go into the unique software that he reveals in here and go and paste those in, and you're going to be able to go and get some really good thumbnails out of this. Okay. So super cool. I recommend going and picking this up. The link will be below. I'm excited to go out and start using this for my YouTube video thumbnails. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.